Hey everyone, this is Shirley and this is Jamming with Yarn, another episode of Delivered Cooking. I hope you guys had a good weekend this weekend. It is Saturday, the 22nd of August 2021, and I wanted to come and share this idea that was found on Tic Tock. This idea is originally by RJ the Magician, and I like to give it a try. Now let me tell you what the ingredients are, and we will get started. This is going to be a breakfast, okay? But before I even get into that, one of my videos I showed you guys this protein 6 grains pancake and waffle mix. Well, it was a little tough. So what I found out is, because you guys know this is trial and error, is I put my water in. So I'm going to have couple of maybe 1 or 2 pancakes along with this dish, and I know I haven't told you what it is. Sorry about that. I put a little butter in it. It really did help because it was seriously very crunchy. So now I have my smooth texture and it cooks better and it's not as horrible. Let's be honest, it wasn't the greatest. So you saw me make the pancakes, but what I'm making is, you would probably think what you see here is waffles, but no, because I have pancakes. I am making butter. I normally don't eat bread. I found this bread, it has no eggs in it, so I picked it up just for this recipe. So what you do is you take a slice of bread, then you cut all the ends off, or some people say the crust. You cut that off. I don't know where I'm at in the camera. Okay, maybe right there. You cut all this off. Okay, and once you got that cut, you take a rolling pin or some kind of object and you start to flatten it out. Okay, so I have it flat. I didn't see both sides. I'm doing both sides. So at that point, once you get to this point, I'm going to sit this to the side. You put your mix together, and we'll start off with olive oil, and I'll send you over to the person who did this recipe. Olive oil, and that was 3 tablespoons of olive oil, and then you add nutritional yeast. This is 1 teaspoon of nutritional yeast. This is some mushroom seasoning. I love this stuff. I just recently found it really good, and I crushed that because it comes really thick. Then you add 2 tablespoons of smoke liquid. Along with that, you should add onions, but I'm not putting onions in it, so that might change the taste a little bit. You put a teaspoon of paprika, and you put in 2 tablespoons of maple syrup. That, and a pinch of pepper. That pinch always get me because I never know what a pinch is. Okay, that's a pinch. Pinch of pepper. You whisk this up. It's very flavorful looking. Okay. Now at this point, you take your bread, and I did some off camera, so I have more pieces here. You take your bread. I have 4 slices of bread. And you take that bread, sorry for the noise, and you cut it into strips. So that's 1. That's going to be really skinny bacon. That's 2. Okay. Or bacon substitute. Let's just put it that way. I'll say bacon flavor substitute. How's that one? Okay. Now, And then once you get that done, I have one more left. You put it in your mixture here. In your mixture, and hands are clean. You let it soak. That's pretty thick. He said 10 minutes, but once he came back, he thought that that was too long because it had got really soggy. So I'm going to put 4 in here because I can't get that much in this bowl. And I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes. And we will see what this tastes like later. So I also have, along with my bacon and pancakes, I've got some scrambled tofu for my eggs, and see if we can just make a traditional breakfast here. I'll be right back, okay, you guys? Okay, you guys, I am back. I hope you can hear me, and I hope there's enough lighting over here. So I'm at the stove. I'm rarely at the stove, but today I am, because I actually found my pot. Have you ever, you know what, I had a dream last night, so I'm going to take this. It's a little bit, this is what it looked like, medium high, and I hope that this is, I need to put a little olive oil, and then I'll tell you about my dream. Okay, so let's make sure that works. Okay, we've got it on medium high. Don't sound like it's high enough, but that one is really it's pretty thick. I don't know. Okay, there you go. I'm gonna let that fry up, and you can see what it looked like here. Okay, you guys, so far I am gonna let this fry up. I don't remember if he said how many minutes or not, but a few seconds. Give it a few minutes. I'll turn it over and bring you back. Okay, so I'm going to turn it over. I think I let it I cut it up a little bit. Let's see what that, ooh, that got burnt. Maybe I shouldn't have cut it up. Ooh, that got burnt. Okay, that got burnt looking. A little crispy. I think my bread might have been just a little bit too thick. You can see that it's smoking. Maybe I shouldn't have turned it up. I should have kept it on medium. My bread is starting to puff up a little bit. Maybe I need more oil. I don't know. Oh, y'all. Maybe I should have put more oil in the pot. Who knows? Anyway, I'll keep trying. If I like it, keep trying till I get it right. Let's see. It looks like toast to me. Now, once it gets ready, I can't remember how many minutes on each side. I am to take this and put it on a rack, and then put these like that on it. Let it cool for a few seconds or minutes. So I want to see what the other side looked like since I turned it down. Still look okay. I just think I need to get some new skillets. Oh, my dream was, I was dreaming that I was cleaning out my cabinet. It's like, I'm tired of all this stuff, and I'm gonna I'm killing myself here, y'all, with the smoke. Sorry. Okay, that's pretty smoky. Well, I think it must be the syrup. Oh, excuse me. Anyway, I had a dream that I was getting rid of all my stuff. I was downsizing all the items that I have. And so I woke up. I started in the kitchen and I pulled all my I realized I had all these tops up under the counter, but I don't have pots for them. I'm like, why do I have all these tops? So I gathered everything up, washed everything, and then I went and put them in the recycling bin. Well, after I did that, you know, I kept two of them, the big one that you saw and one other one. And so I'm thinking, okay, well, I'm going to put this in my oven. So I straightened out the oven. Completely forgot that I had a bottom drawer under this oven here. And behold, there are pots. Not a lot for all the tops I had, but pots. So I'm thinking, oh wow. So that was a trip. But I'm going to come back in a couple of seconds. Okay, you guys, I am back, and here is my this is live. No repeats on this one. Okay, so this is what my bacon looked like. I got my coffee, which is this herbal chicory herbal coffee here. Let me get that ready. And let's see how this tastes. I got my pancake here. So this is what it looked like. Mine still look like bread. I think I had too much bread. My bread was too thick. I needed to get some really cheap thin bread with no eggs. So I'm going to take these two here. Because this one, no, this one here. This one looks the smallest right here. And I'm going to sit this over to the side. I got my my crispy breakfast going on here. Let's see, put you in a good position. Let's give this a try, you guys. Okay. I don't know how well. Okay. Okay, so I got a lot of butter and my pancakes, a little bit of syrup, my eggs, and of course I made a mess, my coffee. So let's give this a taste. This is the show. The star of the show is the bacon. Okay, I'm a little nervous here. Let's see how that looks. Let's see. Okay. Okay. Let me tell you. Maybe if it had the little bit of onion in it, I know it would taste good. Tastes like ham. It tastes like ham, you guys. Oh my goodness. Actually, I think mine tastes like ham because the bread was so thick. Like I said, I got what they had that didn't have eggs in it. So I have my pancakes taste really good. Cheers, you guys. This is a good breakfast. I tell you, if you try it, do it with a smaller, a thinner bread, like a cheap bread. Well, I shouldn't say cheap, but you guys know what I mean. Cheap bread. Cheap bread is thin. It's inexpensive. Maybe that's more better. Until next time, you guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Deliberate cooking. Try to eat as good as you can. I am aware from a few videos that things are going up in prices. I have been looking a little bit, and so yeah, things are going up, so you know, try to eat the best that you can. Okay, clean food. I know this looks like burnt food. It's really good. Clean food, you guys. Bye bye. Until next time.